California, 2025. Imagine stepping outside and being surrounded by a thick, smoky haze. It's not just hard to breathe, it's wreaking havoc on your skin. Wildfires release more than just heat and destruction. They create a toxic cocktail of pollutants that settle on your skin, damaging it in ways you can't see. Did you know that wildfire pollution can age your skin faster, trigger chronic sensitivity, and even lead to long-term conditions like hyperpigmentation? By the end of this video, you'll understand the exact chemicals at work, what they do to your skin, and how you can protect yourself. Stay tuned. It's not just about skincare, it's about your health. Let's start with what's in wildfire smoke. When wood, vegetation, and even man-made materials burn, they release an intense mixture of harmful substances into the air. Here's a breakdown of the most damaging ones and how they affect your skin. First up, particulate matter, or PM 2.5 and PM 10. These are tiny particles of ash, soot, and organic material. PM 2.5 is so small that it can penetrate deep into your pores, where it causes oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when these particles generate unstable molecules called free radicals. Free radicals wreak havoc by damaging your skin cells, proteins, and even DNA. Over time, this process leads to premature aging, uneven skin tone, and worsens conditions like eczema and acne. Next, we have polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs. These chemicals form during the incomplete combustion of organic matter. When they settle on your skin, they bind to your keratinocytes, the cells in your skin's outer layer. This binding activates inflammatory pathways and weakens your skin's barrier, leaving it dehydrated and sensitive. Long-term exposure to PAHs has even been linked to DNA mutations and an increased risk of skin cancer. Then there are volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. These include chemicals like formaldehyde, benzene, and acrolein, which are released in large quantities during wildfires. VOCs don't just smell bad, they irritate the skin and worsen conditions like rosacea or psoriasis. Even more concerning, they interact with other pollutants to form ozone at ground level. Ozone doesn't penetrate the skin, but it reacts with surface lipids to create oxidized byproducts that weaken the skin barrier. This causes dryness, irritation, and even water loss. We also can't ignore carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides. While carbon monoxide primarily impacts respiratory health, nitrogen oxides contribute to the formation of peroxynitrite, a highly reactive molecule that damages skin structures and increases inflammation. Together, these gases amplify the stress on your skin during wildfire exposure. This is just the beginning of what wildfires do to your skin, but let me pause here for a moment. If you're finding this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I share scientifically backed skincare advice, breaking down the chemistry behind ingredients and their benefits. Whether it's tackling pollution damage or creating the perfect routine for sensitive skin, this channel has got you covered. Hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video, and let's dive back in. Now that we know what's harming your skin during wildfire seasons, let's talk about how to fight back. Your skincare routine during and after exposure to wildfire pollution needs to target hydration, repair, and protection. And here's where the chemistry of skincare ingredients really shines. First, let's talk about antioxidants. These are your best defenses against free radicals. Antioxidants work by stabilizing these unstable molecules, preventing them from damaging your skin. Take vitamin C, for example. This powerful antioxidant not only fights oxidative stress, but also brightens your skin by inhibiting melanin production. Then there's vitamin E, which protects the skin's lipid barrier and works even better when paired with vitamin C. Another fantastic ingredient is niacinamide, or vitamin B3, which reduces inflammation, strengthens the skin barrier, and boosts hydration. And let's not forget coenzyme Q10, which protects the mitochondria in your skin cells from oxidative damage. Next up, hydration. Wildfire smoke dehydrates your skin, making it essential to replenish moisture. This is where hyaluronic acid comes in. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, meaning it attracts water. Its molecular structure allows it to hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, keeping your skin plump and hydrated. To repair your skin, you need barrier strengthening ingredients. Look for products with ceramides, which are lipids that fill the spaces between skin cells. This helps lock in moisture and keep pollutants out. Fatty acids, found in oils like argan or rosehip oil, also help repair and reinforce the skin barrier. Now, let's detoxify. Cleansers with chelating agents like EDTA are great for removing heavy metals and particulate matter from your skin. These agents bind to toxins, making it easier to wash them away. Finally, never skip sunscreen. Wildfire pollution can make UV rays even more damaging by interacting with pollutants on your skin. A broad-spectrum sunscreen with both physical blockers like zinc oxide and chemical filters like avobenzone is your best bet. If you don't protect your skin during wildfire seasons, the damage can accumulate over time. Let me explain the long-term implications. Oxidative stress caused by pollution accelerates the breakdown of collagen and elastin, two proteins that keep your skin firm and youthful. This leads to premature wrinkles and sagging. Pigmentation is another issue. Pollution-triggered oxidative stress increases melanin production, causing dark spots and uneven skin tone. Chronic exposure also makes your skin barrier more sensitive, leading to persistent dryness and irritation. And here's the most serious risk. Long-term exposure to carcinogenic chemicals like PAHs increases the likelihood of DNA damage and skin cancer. This is why protecting your skin isn't just about looking good, it's about staying healthy. If you've made it this far, it's clear you're serious about taking care of your skin. So why not take the next step? Subscribe to this channel for in-depth, chemistry-driven advice on skincare. From understanding how pollutants affect your skin to choosing the right products, I'm here to help you stay informed and protected. Hit subscribe now, and let's tackle these challenges together. The California wildfires of 2025 remind us of the direct connection between our environment and our skin health. With the right knowledge and products, you can counteract the damage caused by pollutants and create a routine that protects you in the long term. So remember, cleanse, hydrate, repair, and protect. Look for antioxidants, ceramides, and sunscreen as your essentials. And don't forget the bigger picture. Cleaner air and sustainable practices benefit not just your skin, but the planet as a whole. Prevention starts with small, conscious actions. Together, we can protect our skin and our future.